Thought of a day. Hurt me with the truth, but never comfort me with a lie. Hurt me with the truth, but never comfort me with a lie. Once there was a king who was renowned for being wise and intelligent. His search for a new successor caused a great stirring across the land. The king called the youth of the nation together and gathered them in a royal hall. The king gave them a seed and said, "This is a very special seed. I want all of you to plant it, take care of it, and come back after a year with what you have. Based on what you bring back, I will decide the next king of the country." Everyone left the gathering with a seed. They are excited to plant their seed and waited for its growth. As months passed by, youth of a country was talking about how their plant has grown tremendously beautiful. Among them, there was a young man, seed hasn't even sprouted. Although he used to water the seed every day and did everything to make it grow. A year had passed, all the youth summoned to the palace where they displayed the outcome of their seed. The young man put his empty pot at the floor while a number of others were laughing at him. When king arrived in the hall and inspected each and every pot, the young man was very sad as the king had noticed his utter failure to grow a seed. The king called the young man closer. He held his hand and raised it and said loudly, "Behold, everyone, your new king." The king said, "1 year ago, I have gave everyone a seed. I instruct you to plant it and bring it back. That every seed I handed out had been boiled before. So none of the seed has fit to grow. And know now why he deserved to be your ruler. So hurt me with the truth, but never comfort me with lie." Thank you. Have a great day.